Peckett, what are you doing? Get to shunting my trucks. Oh, go easy on Peckett. Her cylinders keep jamming up. Sure, but still, I've got goods to deliver. Yeah, you have to try at least. Don't you know he's coming if you can't shunt? Oh, not Polly. He's the worst shunter on the island. Here's Polly. No. Hey, isn't that James's catchphrase? James's catchphrase is here's Polly? No, it's like that, but James. Anyway, you saw it. Well, Gordon stole his catchphrase too.
Flying Scotsman coming through!
No, he didn't. Shut up. Can you just leave? I heard a train needs shunting. Let him try. Thank you! I should have expected that. I'd like to see you do any better, Dirty Peckett. Don't go me, Dirty Peckett! I'll show you. Aww. I guess you tried your best, but look at me, I'm faster than Thomas. Blimey, he's quicker than the Flying Scotsman. Thomas and the Flying Scotsman are the same speed. Oh, stop trying to be funny. No one likes you. Well, no one likes your face. Seriously, I have as much face as you have brains. None if you couldn't figure it out. Why don't you go on right to the dump? Why don't you go right on home? Which I assume, just by looking at you, is inside of a Hornby train set. Well, I can assume by looking at you that you live in Manchester. Quite right. The point is, I'm super fast and I can prove it. Look over there. I'll show you. Hello, randomatery. Want a race?
Perhaps, but I'll need you to fetch my coaches first.
Did he really just ask that? He should have known. Rookie mistake. I certainly will.
Where is he? And whatever is that music?
Deja vu, I just been in this place before. Higher on the street, and I know it's my time to go. Going new, and the search is a mystery. Standing on my feet, it's so hard when I try to be me. Whoa.
Oh, can't say I'm surprised.
What do we do?
I have an idea.
Hey, Polly!
Yes?
I heard your name come down by the end of the railway.
Sorry, what?
It means you're needed over there!
Down the disused line?
Yes.
The one that's all overgrown?
Yes,
And ends on our unrepaired bridge?
Guys, maybe this isn't working. Oh, never mind. Well, everything is now in order on this railway. Yes, everything's back to normal. Back to normal. Oh, not you again.
Just dropping by.